Hello mga ka-Hire Me Maybe! Welcome sa podcast kung saan pinag-uusapan natin ang trabaho, hiring at mga sana sinabi nila sa akin to noon moments. I'm your host Marian Tan and para sa mga fresh grads dyan, kaway-kaway! Congratulations po sa inyong lahat! So ayun na nga no, graduate ka na. Tapos biglang, wait, ano next? Job hunting, interviews, adulting. Parang group project ulit. Pero wala ng groupmates. Ikaw na lahat. If kinakabahan ka, normal lang yan. Hindi ka nag-iisa. So today, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga survival guide para hindi kayo ma-shock sa real world. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang expectation versus reality. Unang lesson, no, hindi porket may diploma ka, CEO ka na agad. Relax. Reality check, yung first job mo, baka hindi mo naman talaga dream job. Minsan, admin task, minsan, paulit-ulit, mga routine task. Minsan, mapapatanong ka, eto ba talaga ang pinag-aralan ko? Pero eto yon. Your first job is your training arc. Parang anime. Hindi ka pa main character level ngayon. Nasa character development phase ka pa lang. So chill, learn as you go. Next, workplace basic skills like survival sa office. Number 1, pumasok ka on time. Hindi yung on time ka magising. On time kang dumating. Number 2, mag-communicate. Pag di mo gets, magtanong ka. Hindi ka mind reader at hindi rin sila. Number 3, professionalism. Ibig sabihin, kahit gusto mo nang sumigaw, "Ma'am, ayoko na po," pigilan mo. Smile ka lang. Tapos, maybe iyak later. Charot! Pero kidding aside, how you act matters as much as what you know. Basically, attitude over intelligence. Now, let's move on to common mistakes ng mga fresh grads. Ano ang kailangan iwasan? Una, yung feeling mo kailangan mo improve sarili mo agad. Calm down. Hindi ka contestant sa reality show. Hindi ka magtatagal this week. Pangalawa, takot sa feedback. Pag sinabihan ka ng, you can improve, hindi ibig sabihin you're a failure. Feedbacks will help you grow personally and professionally. Pangatlo, comparison. Bakit siya promoted na? Bakit ako hindi pa? Hello, iba-iba tayo ng timeline. Hindi to paunahan, okay? Or race. Diba? Here are some quick survival tips bago tayo matapos. Una, stay curious. Kahit small task yan, matututo ka. Pangalawa, build connections. Hindi lang workmates yan. Future reference yan. Pangatlo, alagaan ang sarili. Hindi ka robot. Magpahinga ka rin. Hindi pwedeng trabaho lang. Kailangan may tulog din. And of course, work-life balance. So, go on a hiking or somewhere relaxing during the weekends. Like me, I go to the mountains, I do hiking with my workmates. Sama-sama kami. So, ayun, sa lahat ng fresh grads, welcome to the real world. Medyo magulo, medyo nakakapagod, pero kaya mo yan. This is just the beginning of your story. Again, this is Hire Me Maybe. If nakarelate ka, share mo to sa tropa mong naghahanap din ng trabaho. And always remember, the only way to do great work is to love what you do by Steve Jobs. See you!